Hi, I'm Dean and today I'm going to show you how to weed your lawn. First thing we need to do is identify the type of weeds you have in your garden. If you're unable to identify them, take a picture and bring us to your local Bunnings. We can help identify your weeds and offer advice on how to tackle them. The products you can use to weed your lawn are weed killer. These are pre-emergent, selective and non-selective options. You will also need safety gear, a manual weed tool, and you can even use a kettle. The first one is pre-emergent weed killer that targets weeds before they even have a chance to germinate. This type of weed killer is best done in winter. Then there's selective weed killer. Selective weed killer is great because it'll feed the lawns and kill the weeds at the same time. So essentially it is a weed and feed. The non-selective weed killer you've got to be really careful with because it's not fussy, it will kill all your grass and all your shrubs, so you need to be really careful on what you spray it on. Weed removal is another great option. It requires no chemicals. All you need is a little tool, but you need to make sure you get the whole root system out, as otherwise it'll come back. Another option is to pour boiling water on your weeds. So before you start using the product, making sure to check the back of the package to follow the guidelines and safety procedures. After choosing the best weed killer for your lawn, you'll need to apply it correctly to achieve effective results. So before you apply, make sure you check the weather, make sure you check that it's not going to rain, otherwise it will dilute your products. To avoid weeds, it's really important to maintain and look after your lawn. Make sure you keep your weeds out of your entire garden to also keep them out of your lawn. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to weeding your lawn.